Who are you?
A Lego man. Daddy, I'm gonna...
What are you guys doing?
We're breaking up this special... What is it again, Cello? A peeker. Peeker. We're breaking up the special peeker. The special stuff. And then we're putting it in a bucket to dump on our house.
Why are you going to dump it on your house?
To make it stronger. Chomp it up. And you take this and put it over with this and mix it. Then the softer stuff will become the harder stuff, which we dump on our house. See? And makes the house stronger. So we mix it in with all the harder stuff. And then put it about more.